Hi everyone. Welcome to RFacts. The best possible business ideas that may be in demand in the next 10 years. Renewable energy, with increasing focus on reducing carbon footprint, renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower are expected to grow. Health and wellness. The demand for health and wellness products and services will continue to grow as people focus on healthy lifestyles. E-commerce, online shopping will continue to grow, and businesses that can adapt to this trend will benefit. Technology. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and the Internet of Things are expected to create new business opportunities. Eco-friendly products. The trend toward eco-friendly and sustainable products is expected to continue, providing business opportunities for companies that can offer environmentally friendly solutions. Healthcare. The aging population and increasing demand for healthcare services will provide business opportunities for companies that can offer innovative solutions to improve patient care and outcomes. Cybersecurity. The increasing threat of cyber attacks will drive demand for businesses that can provide cybersecurity solutions to protect against data breaches and cyber threats. Education. Online education. The trend toward lifelong learning will create new business opportunities for companies that can offer innovative solutions for lifelong learning and career development. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is expected to become more widespread, and businesses that can offer virtual reality solutions for entertainment, education, and other industries will benefit. Sustainability. The trend toward sustainability and reducing waste will drive demand for businesses that can offer solutions to reduce waste and promote sustainable living.